This is the Osmo Mobile 6, and this is the unboxing for that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box here, see what we can see. So much stuff that Amazon doesn't like there. So we got the 3-axis stabilization, quick launch, portable and foldable, built-in extension rod, and easy tutorial, one tap. And then the active track, which is awesome. So foldable and creative. And then we have this is the Osmos right here. This is your gimbal. So this is the gimbal itself. It looks like it's USB-C. This is a stand or a tripod, and it comes out like so. Your cell phone holder right there. So it's pretty sweet. And this is easy. This is plastic. It does feel pretty good. And then you have a bolt here, and then this is itself. It has a little bit of weight to it. It's nice. It has some controls, nice controls. This is a joystick. This is a knob here, and a button. And then you could put it, you got some threads there, which you could put it on a tripod or or onto the, just like so. And screw it in just like so. Sorry, I found, and there's a bag where you can put your Osmo in, which is cool. That also comes in there. So that is very handy, it's like almost like a microfiber, which you can clean off your lens with for your cell phone. And then let me see if there's anything else. USB-A to USB-C. I do not see a charging port though. I do not see a plug. Okay, so this is the bracket. This is the bracket right here. And then it just snaps right into place. And it looks like, okay, and it balances it. So out of the package, full battery, which is sweet, DJI. It came just like so. And then we have the Osmos bag here. Let's give it a go. So unboxing, first thoughts is I think it looks good. This is Mark from Adventure Dad. I hope this unboxing was good for you, and we'll see you in the next review.